Sarah got another very successful flying kite today. Look, Sarah. Very high, very high. Mojalome. Right here, that very far away. Look, she's in down there. Sarah. Okay. Look, oh, very successful. Look up there. Very high. Very high มุจ้าเราไหมสูงมากๆเลยนะครับสุขอเซนนะครับออกจากทะเลแล้วเนี่ยนะเว้ยออกจากทะเลไปอยู่มาบนเวนี่อย่างนี้อ๋อเนาะมันยังไก่ฟุตเลยมันยังตัวพ่อมันหัวมือเปื่อยหรอโอ้โอ้ยังมี this yeah let's see how many minutes can stay Yami Sarah is very successful. Yami, can you turn look at that for a moment for just a picture? For the kites up there. Come on, look one, two, three. Okay, good.
My eyes are watering. It's just floating. Jenny, you want me to help you get yours up?
It's not going up.
Uh-oh. They're trying to go on top of Mong Song.
I know you better really aim for get on long song. You'd rather just have it in their yard than their.
Yeah, the wind needs to pick up. Back this way. Girl, it's been good. It's been floating this whole time. All the way. Bro, I got it to the end of my string.
You really won't go up. Oh, it's just chilling.
Yeah, that's how it should be.
Get low, bro. You got this.
I said she needs to start up there, like I did.
I'm not gonna fry this up. You got to come up through this. I'm doing something.
What you frying?
It's for you, your banana.
Oh, okay.
You better get your ass over here.
Oh, successful. Now you have to do a thing.
It's rocking.
Yeah, I think she just float up there.
Mine just won't go up. I think I broke mine. Because yesterday I was trying to fix the tail thing, so this broke it, but I don't think that actually broke it.
Yami Sarah. ยกไปปูตุ่มมันจะรอจากทะเลแล้วเจลูกสาวคนที่สองนะครับซาร่าลูกของเขาบิงสุดขนาด
Yeah, see, it's better when it's more vertical, coming, above us than so far. Okay, it's picking back up again, Sherry. Yeah,
Today is easy and smooth, isn't it?
Yeah. It's about that wind speed and the direction. Northwest is better than south something. Oh, look at the birdies right there.
Nga, the birdie is right there by the thing.
Yeah. Just so good. Sherry, you want to come handle this? Sherry. Sherry, come hold mine and I'll try to do yours. I know, but it has a similar structure.
Wow. Look at stay still. Look at flowing. Very beautifully. You're too far away. My camera can't even catch it. Oh. Right here, Sarah. Sarah. Right here. If you're going to the world record. No. Oh ho. Oh ho. Oh ho.
Well, I need to go that way, Dad.
Okay, go. Oh ho ho.
It needs to end again. Come on, bro. You got it.
Let me look this way. I'm taking a good picture. 1, 2. Can you believe I already start, but it's already been 7 minutes.
Yes.
7 minutes up there in the sky. But I already stopped sometimes, so it's 8, 9 minutes, something like that.
Well, it was fine before you started recording too. So probably closer to 10 minutes. Yeah, today's good. See, this is how I should just do.
I want you to point to the thing. Okay? Oh. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Yeah. Have you go over there and show people? ง้อแม่ดูเอาเลยนะครับการมากายญาติพี่น้องนี่แม่วื้อมา วื้อเวโอ้มึงเพียวมึงรอกูรอไหนวื้อยามึงยารอไหนโจ้เอาลงมึงฟีเลยเนาะโอ้โห
Shannon. Sherry, come hold mine.
โอ้ทราบหน่อยมึงจ้าหรอเงาะเนาะOkay, all over there. Sarah standing there. Look, Sarah standing over there. Sarah standing over there. Far away, look. All over here. All over there. Oh, น่าจะต้องไปหรอบนท้องฟ้านะครับ in the sky and there's Sarah. Ông ngay cho mấy Sarah. Chú